just got this. This is a sports camera that you can wear around your neck, or you could use it for, you know, kite surfing or whatever. And this one comes with a 128 gig card. So the price of this is almost worth the card. I'm not kidding you. Check it out. There it is. Cha-ching. And you know what? It doesn't come with a waterproof case. Oh no. Oh my gosh. It doesn't come with a waterproof case. Yeah. Bummersville. Comes with all this stuff, but it doesn't come with a waterproof case. Now this one has a dual thing on it. That doesn't make any sense because you only got one camera. Let's see if it's got a load in it. So the way you usually do it is you press and hold for 3 seconds. And it makes that buzzing sound. And then to videotape, you go click it like this. Makes a buzz. To stop it, click it again. Makes a buzz. And to turn it off, you press it and hold it. And that's it. And then over here, you have your SD card already. It's already in there, look. Check it out. And notice it goes in front of the camera, gold, facing the front of the camera. It's got a little flap on there too, you gotta move. So you gotta slide it in like that, and then gotta get your finger on it and smush it down. And there's your port to charge it, which we can do. I've already got a USB-C, so let's do it. There we go. It does come with this one, but I have, I have multiple USB-Cs. So anyway, it does come with the necklace that you can put around your neck, and then it just, it's got a magnet like that, and then you can hang it on your neck. Wow, that's a strong magnet too. But yeah, I'm a little bummed. I thought I was going to get a waterproof case, but I didn't. Bam! And this thing is expensive. So yeah, what are you going to do? All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and pick up one of these bad boys. Peace out.